Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use keywordtool.io for your keyword research for either if you are a content creator on YouTube or you are a blogger. It will help you a lot because I have been using it and it has been helping me a lot. So this is how exactly you can use keywordtool.io. So you just go to Google and type keywordtool.io. It brings you to the homepage, and now you can either use it for Google, you can use it for YouTube, you can use it for Bing, you can use it for Amazon, eBay, App Store, you can use it for Play Store, you can use it for a lot of searches or a lot of platforms that people have been searching. So how do you use it exactly? It has a free and a paid version. So let's look at the free version. This is the free version. For example, let's say you are searching for a topic like let's say Facebook. Let's say you want to create something relating to Facebook. So you want to find out what exactly are people asking about Facebook. So you search for it. So as you can see, we have our Facebook ads with it, our Facebook and Instagram ads, Instagram connected. So all these are what questions that people have been asking about Facebook ads. And then, so you can go down and look at all the key terms that they've been asking for. Then the location, you can either leave it to worldwide, global or worldwide, or you can leave it there, or you can also filter it to a certain country of your choice. Then when you come to the keyword suggestions, you can either look at the keyword suggestions, you can also come to the questions that people have been asking. So these are questions that people have been asking. Are Facebook ads scams? Are Facebook ads worth it? Are Facebook ads free? All these are what questions that people are asking. Does Facebook have a phone number? Does Facebook Marketplace charge fees? So you have to go through all of them so that you can determine what exactly that people are asking for. You can also check the prepositions. So Facebook about Portal, Facebook about us, Facebook about info not showing, Facebook about section character limit. These are all keyword ideas to help you know what they're asking. So here they're asking questions, here are prepositions, here are general keyword suggestions. And then you can also you can ask the same thing on YouTube. When you ask the same thing on YouTube, let's see what the answer will be. So you have Facebook profile. This is one of the Indian languages, or one of the languages of India. So you can look for ones that relate to a language you can understand. So for example, an unexpected error occurred. Facebook ads on Rails, Facebook monetization. You see, Facebook block friend unblock. So how to unblock someone on Facebook, Facebook copyright free music, Facebook cover photo design, Facebook content monetization policies. These are all questions that people are looking for solutions to. These are things that people are looking for solutions to. So you can go down and check all the suggestions. Now, let's say that you decided to do a video about ads on Reels monetization. I will advise you to go ahead and get this keyword tool called VidIQ. Okay, VidIQ. So for those who don't know, VidIQ is spelled like this. Yes, this VidIQ. So when you get VidIQ, it's very good. Why is it good? When you come down, so let's say this is the topic I want to do a video on. I can come and see the ranking on VidIQ because VidIQ is specifically designed for YouTube. So as you see here, it is telling me that this is a good topic with a mark of 66. Any keyword that has 60 and above is a good keyword. So as you can see here, This one has 64, this one has 56, and this one also has 56. So the one with 60 and above for the green one means it's a good topic. And when I do a video relating to that, I will easily be able to break through. So any keyword that you take here, you can go and study it further in VidIQ. And as I said, you can change any of the platforms depending on what you want. Even if you want to check Google Trends, you can still use it and you will still be able to see how people are searching for that particular information on Google Trends. Then also, after you select all the keywords. So if you want to copy all these as tags for your Facebook, you just click here and copy. If you don't want to do that, you can copy specific ones. Okay, you can copy specific ones. Then you come here, then you copy it. You can add it to the keyword basket. You can export to Excel, export it to CSV, and then all that. Then if you want to have all the information here, then if you go for the paid version, they will show you. So for example, as you see this one, the search frequency is 170,000 up as compared to about a month ago. This one to 90% up. So this is, they are all increasing. As you can see the search volume and the percentages, the trend is going up. The average cost per click, they'll give you that. The competition, they are low, and then all that. So you can also check the search volume, the keyword tool pro, that is the keyword tool .io, the pro version. You can get it here, and then all that. So if you are able to use it to search very well, and I will advise that every word you search and go through so many of the keywords as much as possible, because when you just look at a few of them, you would have been concluding prematurely. But when you go down, you will see a lot of keywords relating to that particular keyword you are searching. And at the end of the day, you will see a lot of them that you may need, or you may that may help you in deciding which topic or which niche you should choose. You can also come to the settings here to filter the results. You can use it to find specific keywords within search results. Example, best. So for example, let's say you are searching for something and you want that the results you are seeing should have the word best in it. You can come and filter and add the keyword that you want. And then you can also add negative keywords. So for example, you don't want certain keywords to show in the keywords you are going to get. So you can also put here and then save the settings, save the changes, and it's going to apply to your searches. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. There are other more powerful videos I'll be doing. I'll also leave a powerful book called Achieving Your Greatest Dreams in the description of this video. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. You can check in the description or at the comment section for a copy of your book.